is for anorak, anorak. B is for bomber jacket, bomber jacket. C is for capri pants, capri pants. E is for denim jeans, denim jeans. E is for embroidered blouse, embroidered blouse. F is for fedora hat, fedora hat. G is for gingham skirt, gingham skirt. H is for hoodie, hoodie. I is for ill sweater, sweater. J is for jumpsuit, jumpsuit. K is for kangaroo hoodie, kangaroo hoodie. O is for linen shirt, linen shirt. N is for midi skirt, midi skirt. N is for narrow jacket, narrow jacket. O is for Oxford shirt, Oxford shirt. P is for pea coat, pea coat. U is for quin scarf, quin scarf. R is for rain boots, rain boots. S is for suede jacket, suede jacket. T is for trench coat, trench coat. U is for utility jacket, utility jacket. V is for varsity jacket, varsity jacket. W is for wool coat, wool coat. X is for X large tee, X large toe. R is for yellow cardigan, yellow cardigan. Z is for sorry sandals, sorry sandals.